In the last episode of the Daily Dose, we discussed some of the benefits single-use systems can provide for biopharmaceutical production. In this episode, we talk about its flexibility for handling varying facets of production, as well as its cost effectiveness and potential ROI. The Daily Dose is sponsored by Pharmaceutical Processing Magazine and PharmPro.com. One of the reasons for the strong adoption rate of single-use systems stems from the ability to implement such an approach at a number of different points in the production process. While there are still some limitations in terms of large-scale production, media and buffer preparation were some of the first production areas to utilize single-use technologies due to the obvious cross-contamination benefits that can be realized. And as the technology has evolved, single-use is translated to areas like mixing, purification, formulation, and even filling as processors look to take advantage of the cost and time savings. From a cost perspective, single-use systems typically have lower capital and startup costs. And according to the Bioprocess Systems Alliance, the capital equipment associated with supporting a single-use unit operation is less expensive than a comparable multi-use stainless steel system. Much of this cost saving stems from the fact that single-use products don't require electropolishing or other material and equipment design specifications. Additionally, BPSA feels that commissioning a single-use system can be faster and simpler than a multi-use system, as the contact services of single-use products can be qualified in advance of the actual installation, compressing startup and commissioning timelines. Obviously, the cost for constantly replacing single-use products will add up, but the time savings involved with not having to constantly sanitize equipment helps recoup much of those costs. The biggest detriment from an ROI perspective for single-use equipment, again, goes back to the lack of equipment available for handling large-scale production runs. On the next episode of the Daily Dose, be sure to join us as we examine more equipment considerations and some of the challenges for scaling up single-use production.